Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're gonna be checking out the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key tech specs and details for this particular vacuum. Features a 2-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and you can see all the included accessories right here on the back of the box. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature featuring our safety information and our user guide and manual for a couple of different versions of this cordless vacuum. Important safety info. We have our product description and features depending on which one you purchased. Assembly instructions for the included wall mount and charger. Cleaning and emptying the product. Replacing the filters, maintenance troubleshooting, accessory options, warning information, and 2-year warranty info. Then everything repeats in multiple languages. Next, you can see the included wall mount. We have our hardware for it, 2 screws and 2 wall anchors. 2 accessories, a crevice tool, nice extension right there, and then a small brush. You can see the little black bristles. Then we have our charging cord right here, plugs into the wall and plugs into the unit. And lastly, we have the vacuum itself. Let's go ahead, let's look at that in more detail. Here's the unit up close, check it out. Everything looks great. I really like the blue, white, and gray color scheme right here with our buttons also being blue. With the BLACK+DECKER logo and branding in 2 places, lithium right there. You can see where we charge the unit. We have our power on and our filter release. So here's where we're gonna empty all of the contents that get vacuumed up. And we have a bagless design. Filter goes right back in. You can see the rest of the unit with that being removed, and then it just snaps shut. Now you can see it from the side. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom of it. You can see we got a warning sticker for us. You can see where everything's going to go into the vacuum. Here's the exhaust out the back. And again, nice grip handle, really comfortable to use. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. Setup simple and straightforward. Just go ahead, select the accessory you want to use. So in this case, let's use the crevice tool. Just line it up and gently press everything in. Now you're ready to go ahead, power it on, and start vacuuming. And then if you want to remove it, it just pulls out just like so. Let's go ahead, let's put our other attachment in. Line it up, press it in place. There we go. Same thing, power button. Now we're free to start vacuuming, and then we can just press gently to remove. I do want to point out, if we put the crevice tool on, we are unable to mount this brush with it. I was really hoping we'd be able to use the crevice tool as an extension for the brush, but unfortunately that is not how this particular unit is designed. Now let's go ahead, let's start cleaning. First up, you can see we have some hair embedded on our rug right here to see how the dustbuster is going to perform. First up, no attachment. Next up, our crevice tool. Lastly, our brush tool. So having that brush attachment definitely made a pretty big difference, allowing us to lift that embedded hair off of the carpet and vacuum it up. Now it's time for what I'm calling the torture test. Every dustbuster I've ever vacuumed in this car quickly succumbs to an issue where it shoots out dirt and dust from the back exhaust. Basically, it's vacuuming up such fine particles that they pass right through the filter and exhaust out the back. So it didn't take long. I'll see if you guys can see the dust coming out right here. Check that out. Shooting a lot of dust right out the back. So it's passing right through the filter. All right, so the torture test takes another dustbuster down. Just for fun here in the studio, let's see if we can get it to exhaust that dust out the back again. Are you ready? Did you see that? It was a huge cloud. So basically, with this dustbuster, here is what you need to keep in mind. If you're going to be vacuuming really dirty areas like the floors in your car that have really fine dirt and dust, it doesn't have the best filter to trap those really small and fine particles, so you will be exhausting them right out the back. But for larger messes, spills, crumbs, things like that, think about like maybe just something quick off your floor, in between your couch cushions, maybe on top of your car seats, or maybe kids' car seats, things like that, that this can quickly and easily pick up that are larger in size. It's not going to have any issues. So here are the cleaning results that we got right there. So check it out. We did get a lot of pet hair up, which is pretty impressive. There's a couple leftover Cheerios from earlier in there, but you can see the variation and variety of the contents is actually going to be able to vacuum up in a day-to-day environment. You can see how dirty our filter is already. And where we're having that issue again, the dirt and dust that's really small and fine, those particles are passing through that filter, being sucked in here and then exhausted right out the back. So you can see how it's already really dirty out the back. So that small dust and dirt is not a dustbuster's friend because it's just going to pass right through the filter that they have. So in the future, for me, I'd love to see a better filter installed on this unit so it can trap those really small particles. It needs some sort of foam filter and having the filter that they have to really keep all of that at bay so it's not exhausting out the back of the dustbuster.